Put the grated cauliflower in a bowl. Mashed potato, coriander leaves, 2-3 chopped chilli, Sibu veg cutlet masala as per taste, salt to taste. Mix it well. Make a mixture. Make a round shape. Put oil in a pan. Shallow fry the cutlet. Sprinkle Sibu chaat masala. Sibu cooking tips. Is it necessary to boil cauliflower before cooking? Cauliflower can be cooked using several methods. Some common methods are steaming, boiling, sautéing, stir-frying, and microwaving. Cauliflower should be cooked until they are tender crisp. If it is cooked too long, the florets will fall apart and become mushy. Help us to serve you better.